Hello guys, today we're gonna see a Kraken Exchange review. Kraken is one of the biggest crypto exchanges. It offers a ton of cryptocurrencies, decent fees and strong security. But is it actually worth using? Let's dive into the pros, cons and whether you should trust it with your money. Firstly, compared to some exchanges, Kraken offers competitive fees, especially for spot trading if you're an active trader. This could save your money in the long run. With over 200 plus cryptocurrencies, Kraken gives you plenty of options from Bitcoin to Ethereum and lesser altcoins. Kraken has a solid reputation for security with features like cold storage, 2FA, and strict compliance measures to keep your funds safe. While trading fees are reasonable, buying crypto directly with a card can come up with high costs. Beginners may end up paying more than expected. Also, a 1.4 on 5 Trustpilot rating tells you everything. Many users report issues with account verification, withdrawals, and getting report when they need it. Finally, the SEC has targeted Kraken in lawsuits, which raises concerns about its future. If regulators keep Kraken down, this could impact users down the line. So, if you're looking for a platform with a variety of cryptos and strong security, Kraken might be an option, but the negative reviews and legal risks definitely something to think about. If you're focused on Bitcoin, platforms like Swan offer an easier and more beginner-friendly experience with no fees and great customer support. What do you think? Have you used Kraken yet? Drop your experience in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more reviews.